Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by weighing sugar, glucose, and water precisely because temperature and ratio control texture. Mix in a heavy saucepan and stir until evenly moistened. Once done, place your candy thermometer clipped to the pan so you can monitor rise in temperature closely, making sure to avoid splashes. Heat over medium-high heat without stirring once it begins to boil. This prevents crystallization. While it cooks, oil silicone molds and set an ice water bath nearby to stop cooking quickly when poured. You continue by taking the mixture to the target temperature for toy candy texture. Monitor for hard ball to hard crack stage depending on desired chew or snap. Once at the right degrees C, remove from heat immediately so sugars won't burn, and let it settle for just a few seconds to avoid degrading flavors. Then stir in concentrated flavor and coloring off heat to preserve volatile notes. Pour swiftly into prepared molds, and tap molds to release trapped air and ensure clean shapes before they set. You finish by letting molded candy cool completely at room temperature so structure stabilizes. Once firm, invert molds and unclip or flex silicone to release shapes gently. If surfaces are tacky, a light dusting of cornstarch inside molds or on candies reduces stickiness without flavor loss. Package pieces in airtight containers with a small desiccant pack to preserve texture. If candy crystallizes or becomes too hard, you can reheat cautiously with a teaspoon of water and remake. Make sure to test small batch to avoid burning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.